Linking. Before use, link the aircraft with the goggles, and then with the motion controller. Power on the aircraft, goggles, and motion controller. Link the aircraft with the goggles. Press and hold the power button on the goggles and aircraft until the battery level LEDs on each device blink in sequence. Once linking is completed, the battery level LEDs of the aircraft turn solid and display the battery level, and the goggles emit a prompt tone. Link the aircraft with the motion controller. Press and hold the power button on the motion controller until it beeps, and the battery level LEDs blink in sequence. Press and hold the power button on the aircraft until the battery level LEDs blink in sequence. Once linking is completed, the battery level LEDs of the aircraft and motion controller turn solid and display the battery level, and the motion controller stops beeping. Thanks for watching.